Hello, my name's William Hugh. I'm a Welsh learner, and to that effect I'll be checking out a different Welsh word every day. Feel free to join me. And today's Welsh word is tanwydd, which means fuel. Tanwydd, as in mesur tanwydd, fuel gauge. Tanwydd, fuel.